Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. All right, let's give this another shot. Cox really sucking ass lately. Dropping line. I got a new modem, all that crap. Didn't even matter. Something's going on. They've been having problems for the last month and a half. And of course, I start a new thing. Oh, yeah, good thing. I start a new freaking stream. I haven't done them, and they lock up on me. Anyways, all right, let's get back into the charts. We're talking about AMD. We're talking about this gap fill, this area, and it nice, comes back in, retrace, comes back in, retrace, and then falls flat on its face. Had earnings. I don't know if they were that bad or whatever, but man, you get a run like this, 16 to 34, you're not taking profits. Come on, you got to start taking profits. Let's get a handle on SPY again. My shit's been going up and down, in and out. Freaking, I'm going to call Cox and rip him a new asshole today, let me tell you. Months of this crap, going in and out. It's been pretty good lately, but gosh, also I look up and everything's not working. It's like, really? Great. It's nothing better when you're a, intraday trader and shit locks up. It drives me nuts. All right, let's see here. All right, let's get back into it. Man, I was just getting riled up too. Let me tell you. Everyone can see me, hear me, all that good crap. I got a freaking commercial on. Let's see here. Now that's playing. Skip that crap. All right, so no, okay, there we are. All right, so we're good. I don't even know. Finra, can you hear me and everything? Let me know. All right, so IWM, everything's pretty much stalling out here, guys. We shorted puts twice today on some really, really good support here. SPY has good support at 294, 295, and then, of course, down here in gap fill here too. So just shake and bake, guys. They got it. They have to close it above this low, 295.20. If they do not close it below that, or if they close it below, we could see more selling. But we have the jobs report. We have some more news coming up. China trade, rate cut. God, just keep throwing it out there, guys. This was just classic action today, though. I really had to laugh. All right, I think we were talking about the puts. So this thing was going up. At right around 300 even number. Moving average here, you got a little tail. We're starting to add some lotto puts. Goes up a little bit, hits the 200 and the 150-day moving averages. Put a little bit more on. We get our average around 118. Then they're just chopping. The options were going down to like 80, 70, and it was like, all right, it's a lotto put. What are you gonna do? What can you say? And next thing you know, rug pull, and we're out of them, guys. And look at this. I mean, we're trying to hold. This is the key. They have to close it above this. Whoever, Uncle Jerome, the hedge funds, whoever's propping this shit up every day. That's who's got to save this market. Let's see here. All right, so everyone, we might have the good old bookie shake and bake. Yeah. Yep, you're good. All right. Yes, always make sure you have my phone handy in case your internet goes down. Yeah, I do. We're in some positions, but the intraday stuff, Blake, we're out. And I think you guys know if I'm getting in a trade and this thing's ripping like today, we're at 118 and these things are flying at $5 and I don't post anything, I think it's time for everyone to get out. I had another trader too the other day. We went back and forth with a conversation. I finally told the guy, and he's a member, and I say, man, I'm not there to click your button. You got to click it. And I was telling all my members, you're taking these intraday trades in and out, in and out, in and out. We're not looking for a lot. If you have a big account, awesome. If you have if you're going into a put play with 10 grand, look for about $1,000, 10%, get out. 1,000 every day. We've had over 50 something winners in the last couple of weeks, guys, on lotto puts, short calls, puts, calls, whatever. Look at that. They're holding that. That's the area. That's why we shorted puts twice here. On this bounce here, got the hell out. Came back down. This bounce here, got the hell out. So we had lotto puts cranking down. And we did short puts twice. Killed it today, guys. Killed it. Damn, we were going over 31 people too. Now we got 13. Everyone's probably still waiting for me on the other link. Let's see. Did I link it on there? Yeah. So I got it on this one. That should be the new one. 8-2. That's not 8-2. I got the wrong date. I'm scrambling around. All right, guys, let's start this over again. So if you want me to look at a symbol, we were looking at Disney. We looked at AMD, HD, I think someone put in there. Damn, lost all my people. Are you bullish on anything this market? Nah, I can't. You know the one. You look at our sheet. You know which one we're long. Well, we're long gold. That one's doing great. And all right, I'll just show you guys this one. And gosh, it was almost here. I'm trying. This is looking really good, guys, for a nice pop. All right. So I am long AAOI as a bottom feeder play. Now you guys know. But yeah, other than that, JCP. I've been long holding on for that. That's another one. Hey, buy the shares, let it rip, let it go, see what happens. Damn it, though. Lost all these guys. I was doing good. Haven't done this in a long time. Oh, the stream. That's why. 8-2. That's what I get for fumbling around. Damn it. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I can't even, can I even edit that now? 8-2. Shit, put the wrong date on there too. Maybe that's why everyone's like, what's going on here? What's the support on BA? All right, let's look at BA. Damn, that just ruined my whole mojo. That's why it's like when you're trading, guys, I don't want my kids here. I don't want anybody here. Just leave me alone. Let me make my money and get the hell out. Freaking internet going down. And God, I'm looking. I almost can't do this anymore. I just want to call Cox and rip them a new asshole. God. Well, sir, you got the fastest internet we offer. You're great. Yeah, but if it doesn't work, how does that help me? Well, it was only down like 16 times in the last 2 months. Well, no shit. I've been in every trade. Oh, you're a day trader. Yeah, you guys are killing me. Right? All right, let's look at BA. BA, this thing, you know, another one, guys, that should have never been up this high ever. It's Boeing. Boeing, 2017 to 19, 126 to 400. And everyone's like, this one's got to go higher. It has to. Like Tesla. But Elon said he can't tweet anymore. People, Tesla's not going up. He can't tweet. Right? It's only Trump. That's it. He's the only one that can tweet. But there's your support right here, BA, 331.14. If that cracks, you're going right down to here again, 292, 300 area. And then maybe around there, maybe. But if the markets keep dumping, guys, look, down, sideways, down, sideways. Everyone's like, BA's going to go. This is it. They're fixing the max. You know, it's like, oh, and China trade and the rate cut rally, you know. But, you know, overall, good base here. I mean, it could go up. I think this was it, though. That was where they got everybody on board. Oh, it's going. It's BA. Monthly chart. I mean, it was chopping. Great bullish pattern. Finally got the pop, but that was a shit box pop. That was called get everybody in on this thing. And I know they had the accident, all that crap. You know what? That's just an excuse for these people to dump. As this thing was moving up, you had distribution going on at its finest. And then all they needed was an excuse, and they got it, and then down she goes. Same crap all the time, whether it's BA, AAOI, Twilio, any of those guys. It's all going to come down. Just got to give it some time. All right, so if you're not a member at StockBookie.com, sign up. It's $30 a month, guys. We've been tearing freaking heads off. You don't want to like pound your chest, because then as soon as you start going, I'm the best, that's when they pull the rug and they screw. Yeah, that's why now what I tell my members is get in, get out, guys. That's it. Even those $6 options, the 300s we took today, they're back to 430. We were out way before that, but my gosh, unbelievable. All right, you might get the good old shake and bake. Yep. Bookie, are you bullish? Nah. What's the support? And Blake, the reason why. Let's just go SPY. I can't, you know, I mean, like here, we got the same thing, shake and bake, and then boom. I don't think we're getting that anymore. I really don't. But I could be, gosh, I got the hiccups now. I could be completely wrong. Let me take a sip of water there, guys. But I just can't go long when the markets are like this. Maybe, I mean, it's too late now. Maybe the snaps. I mean, look at that run, guys. Another one, $5 to 18. You're not taking profits. Oh God. But it's snap. They said, you know, this is another one. Everyone's, you know, but most people are stuck up here. That's the sad part. Everyone bought up here. Oh, it's snap. Then they shook their ass out. Now they're chasing it again. I went down. It goes right back down. These are the ones I'm picking on. Look at GoPro. I think that didn't it go to the basement? That was another one. I think it's going, yeah, right to the basement. But hey, went to 5, went back to 7 or 8, get out. Went back to that 4, went back to 7 or 8, get out. Now it's back to low. Here it goes. Yeah, I love the bulls. Here it goes. This is it. This is the time. And then it goes right back down. It's like, hey, where are all the bulls? But this one may be here too. It could be a buyout. Who knows? But for $5, throw a grand or two at it, hold it like an option. I think it's worth a shot. So yeah, so hey, can you do GoPro ER after the bell? Oh yeah, no, I'm not touching this one. I didn't even know they had ER today. But yeah, watch this one. I mean, this could pop. I mean, this is a bottom feeder play. If this goes down one more time, I think I'm going to give this one a shot, and I'll just buy and hold. If it goes to 0, so be it. But I'm going to put maybe a grand or 2 at risk, maybe 3, depending. I had a great July, guys, and hopefully most of my members did. But man, this is one. It's looking ripe. Like the AAOI, same thing. And this one too. I'm almost tempted just to say, you know what? I'll take that. No, I actually had 1029. I was watching so many other things today. It was nuts today. Just a great day. So yeah, so GoPro, yeah, maybe. It's just a bottom feeder play. But if you get in at 5, this thing pops to 750, $10 out. Or maybe sell most of it, keep a little bit just in case it hits this high pivot at 17. I don't know where it's going to go. It's earnings. This is another one. IPO'd, guys, straight up, got everyone on board, and then just freaking took them out. 15 since 2015, they're holding on to GoPro. God, it's got to go up. It has to. And that's why, guys, get in and get the hell out. There's too many of this where they just pull the flipping rug and they shake your ass out. Look at Skyworks. That's another one. Up. And this is when I came on the scene on stock twits and everything, and I was shorting this one, and everyone was like, you're a moron. But we picked this one off right at 12 something. It was like 12.12. They're like, you're shorting Skyworks. You're a moron. They do stuff with Apple. It's like, all right, whatever. By the time you know it, I'll be out and done. And look at that. Then what did it do, guys? Right back up where? Double top. And it chop, pop, flush. Another one. Same crap, different day. Sometimes they come in real quick. This one was months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, a year or so before it pulled back. But if you're lucky enough to catch it right here, the last push, bam, you're getting paid. But even here, 111, 94, out. Comes back up here, 115, 94, out. Double top again, out. I'm not waiting for the 50-point move. I'm trying to get my 10%. Get out. All right. If I could let some run, even better. Oh man. But yeah, other than that, guys, what a day. Anything else? Let me post something here. I think I posted on my Twitter. Gosh, I can't believe that. That sucks. When they dropped my whole thing. It was like, damn. Could get the new Elon Musk satellite internet. I don't. Is he coming out with something else? Seriously, CTST. Oh God. Yeah, that's not bad. Gosh, that was it though, right there. $1.81. I don't know what they do or whatever, but yeah, that's not bad. Hold on, let's look at the daily. Pull the daily up. This is a 60-minute over here. This is the daily over here, guys. Yeah. Play it as something going to 0. And if you get that pop, just freaking get ready and run for the hills. Yeah, that's not bad. Just want to see daily. Yeah, gosh, look at that though. So I don't know if earnings happened or anything. Let's go back to the monthly chart. I just want to see this again. Yeah, look at that. Look at it. And everyone's chasing. They retraced them. They shook them up and down. Look at that. Retrace, dump, retrace. Oh, here it goes. Dump. Here it goes. Dump. And this one was even harder. So everyone was chasing it. Oh my gosh. Chasing it. Oh my gosh. Chasing it. Oh shit. And they don't realize double bottoms right here. So they're just dumb. They're like, I don't care. I'm just taking the money. But guys, this thing's getting its ass kicked. This is a complete lotto play. All right. Even at 216, I don't know. If you play it, just go small and be ready to add some more, maybe at 150 or so. And if it keeps going, that might be it. I don't know what they do. I don't know if they had earnings or something bad happen, or that maybe the company's going out of business. I have no idea. Or it's probably a biotech company or something, drug company. What is that one, Blake? But yeah, I don't mind it. It's not bad. Man, just know that it could keep going right back to, pretty much where it should hold. And if this doesn't hold, better step aside or be ready to add a little bit more. So if you can lose $1,000, okay, if you have a nice size account, go with 500 right here. If it goes lower, add a little bit more, play it like an option, $1,000. Hey, who knows? Maybe it goes back to 6, you make a couple grand, you get out. That's how you kind of got to look at that one. All right. I'm only going to be streaming for a couple more minutes, guys, into the close. I'm going to see if these guys will, if I put ticker symbols on here on StockTwits, that some of my trolls will be like, hey, that guy's posting stuff and he's not talking about anything. I've got those emails before, and it's like, really? And I'll put Tesla in here. Tesla. All right, guys, if you want me to look at anything, just punch up a symbol. We'll go over it, long or short. I don't really care. Bottom feeders too. Look for high flyers. Those are the ones I like right now. But the bottom feeders aren't bad either. If we get a couple green days, those can maybe possibly make a run. So that's something too. But those are ones just like the high flyers. You get in, you get out, or try to at least. If you got to hold a little bit, just make sure you're in a cash position, no margin. Once you start getting margin in there, that's when things start getting dicey, and that tells me you're in way too big of a position if you're in with margin as well. I get those emails all the time. Hey, Bookie, I'm getting my ass kicked. What's your position size? Well, I'm at 80%. It's like, ugh. It's like, all right, well, I don't know what to tell you. Damn, I'm trying to keep these. Session. All right, we'll try one more. All right, let's see here. Marijuana CEO got busted for knowing about illegal and licensed. Seriously, okay. Then that's not bad. CTST. God, I think some friends of mine got into these. This one maybe. I'm looking at Tilray too, guys. That one I think a little bit around $20. So if you like those, they apparently got rid of him though. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if that's a marijuana one, rock and roll. But these I've seen go up, down, all around. But hey, at least you didn't buy it at 11. You're buying it at 2, and more than anyone else can say. Just take a small shot at it. I'm going to write this one down. I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to let. I know a couple of my friends that do that stuff. They own dispensaries too as well. And they're always like, hey, man, what's some good marijuana ones? And, they know Tilray, CGC, a couple other ones. This one, I don't they brought this one up before. They apparently got rid of them. All right, yeah, but that's not bad. It's a bottom feeder play, double bottom. It could go lower. Just make sure you have a little bit left. Like I said, you do $1,000, go with 500 here. Goes a little bit lower, do it again. Or worst case scenario, go 250, and then do 500 if it goes lower. Something like that, but make sure, just don't go blow your wad in one session here. This way, because it could damn well one good shakedown and then the push up. They do that a lot too. You guys know that. All right, Roku. Yeah, we just shorted calls on this one for nice gains, guys. In and out. Another one, high flyer. Look at this. Price target right now is $57. Got a little topping tail on here. If it can't get above this 110 and stay, especially on the monthly, we're going to have some issues here. I think they have earnings coming up, so anything's possible. But, man, just another high flyer, guys. Waiting to come in. This one, man, this one can easily get a gap fill here. Easily $50. This is another one. That when we shorted this one, we've done this one plenty of times. Where was the one? There was a great play on this one. We were in and out. And it was on a gap fill. Let's see here. Yeah, right here. So it went down. So we, again, just going up, hits this, comes back in, nice retrace, comes back in, retrace. What does it do, guys? Fill the gap. Can't get above there. We short here. Boom, boom, out. Then it goes up in our face. We short again. It went up on us. That's great. But we shorted we did puts. We shorted calls. We day traded this one. We traded it here. We traded it back there. Yeah, we're upside down. What are you going to do? Small positions, guys. That's it. So, Carlos, if you, I think earnings are coming up. So just be careful with that because anything's possible with these. I mean, seriously, you saw today. Anything's possible. We get tariff news. Tanking like a mother. Tanking like a mother. Yeah, just crazy action. Gosh, hey, I'll take it, though, every day. All right, let's see. Bottom feeder play. Yeah, I like that, though, Blake. Good call on that one. Try Roku. Yep, CMG. Oh, my gosh. This one, too, just taking me to the house. God, a couple of them just murdering me. But I know, gap fill, double top, stretched. Right now, price target's around 524 on the monthly. Gosh, that queso really doing its number on that. And then 458 on the weekly. This move should have never have happened. This market, it's truly out of control, in my opinion. You got stocks flying. And then at highs, they're like, hey, we're going to upgrade it. It's like, what? Stuff like that. And it's like, oh, my gosh, it's getting close. If you are not short Chipotle, short it, especially with shares. Puts are a little bit tough because look at this. I mean, you didn't have to pull them here. Then they shook you here. Then they shook you there. Puts wouldn't be bad up here, but I'd do it with shares. And I had no problem shorting this one here. Roku, Twilio. What were some other ones? Some other high flyer. Tree, that was a good one. I mean, there's so many of them. Look at Lope. Look at this one. This was another high flyer. I missed it too. So I was so pissed. We were in this one back here, and I forgot where we were. We might have even done it here. Right back to double top, and they just shook this. Look at that. From 128 to frickin' 108. I was pissed with that. Just hit wires. Yeah, standard. Laugh out loud. Yeah, right. All right, so let's go back to the SPY. Let's get a handle on these markets. Again, if you're new to the room, just punch up a symbol. And I'm going to be doing more live sessions. My kids are going to back to school in I think next week. I think it is. So, God, thank God. Don't let them hear me though. No, I love my kids, but holy crap, it's like they just want, Dad, what are we going to do? Dad, what are we going to do? Why do you got to do this trading thing? It's like, do you like your new PlayStation 4? Okay, then I'm going to keep doing this trading thing. They don't get it yet. They're all under 12, so they don't get life yet at all. But SPY, chopping. They're chopping the options right now. I knew it too. 294. That's a key area, and then 300 too. This is the range right now we're getting. God, look at that fall though, guys. Holy cow. We were in lotto puts. Unbelievable. But hey, we'll take it every time, guys. So let's see. Anything else, guys? Gold. Let's look at the gold. What the hell is gold going? It's got to be flying, right? Oh, no. I was going to say shit. My shit's freak. Guys, if I lose it, this will be it. I'm not coming back. I don't know. I got to call these guys. But look at that. Oh, my gosh. We were just talking about this yesterday in the daily video. It's like, all right, if it's got to hold this area. If it doesn't hold, you got gap fill. Let's see if it can fill the gap. Look at that. Fills the gap straight back up. So that tells me then USO straight down. Oh, members, look at this bullshit. This is the head fake, guys. Oh, but it's Iran and OPEC. It is. And look at that straight back down. Oh, this is going to be bad. Those Lotto SPY puts were beautiful. Yes, they were. They were as beautiful as the letters Trump was writing in Mexico when they were bringing those 6,000 troops up 7 weeks ago. Did anyone hear about the troops anymore from Mexico? The beautiful troops. Yeah. Oh yeah. The puts. Oh my gosh. We even shorted. Did you get the short calls, Carmela? I love how Trump is always ready to throw. Oh yeah. You can't tell me, Blake. He's like, all right. Right at what time was it at? Oh God, how beautiful would it be to know him? And you know it. You know he's telling people right here. And you just this push, you knew something was up. Gosh, they got those puts so freaking cheap. And everyone who bought down here puts down here, oh my gosh, we're falling apart. They were getting train wrecked right here. You know, every put out there, they were like, oh, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. You know what we're doing at Bookie? We're starting to add them right here. Yeah, we were upside down a little bit. And you know what? 50-50 shot. And that's the truth. But man, as kicking ass, taking names in July, so many trades we just freaking rallied. You got to take stabs at this. And we're not loading the boat. We're just saying, hey, let's throw some money at this one, see what happens. If you have a small account, a couple $100, if that. If you have a bigger account, couple grand. Guys, a couple grand. 50 contracts at 118. These were hitting $6. 600. 600, right? But no, I mean, and I hate because tomorrow we could get, rally, but now we have so many winners in the last 30 days. Now we can relax, take some trades, use some profits, easy money. And if we lose, oh, well, next trade. And if you don't want to trade, sometimes it's better not to do anything. Just go out, enjoy the day, hit the golf course. If you go golfing, that's at least 3 hours, depending if you're going to a country club, if you're going to an open club, they could take 5 hours out here. Well, not now because it's so damn hot, but you could probably bang out a round in 2.5 hours here because you're out there by yourself. So, yeah, my gosh. So I get a lot of stuff to cover for my members today. Maybe I got to start doing more live stuff. Members, we're going to be going on GoToMeeting soon. So watch out for those. And, intraday, first half hour, I like to trade because I got a lot of positions. But once we get out of that, we'll start doing more intraday stuff. So, all right, let's go back. Yeah, Carmela, everything's shut down here. I don't know if anyone else, does anyone else have Cox? Even in Cali, where I don't care where you're at. Are you having problems? Man, I had a guy come out, new modem, new this. Oh, this is great. This looks great. And the guy was even telling me, hey, you're really close to the switch. So you got some higher speeds. You got higher speeds than most people, unless it's bullshit. I was like, yeah, great. Can I upgrade it some more? So right when I get in a trade, it could friggin' lock up and I'm going to have a heart attack. you know those trades, guy. You're like, get in and it's like, why is everything locking up? But yeah, that was the first time, though. It's been pretty solid for the last couple of weeks. And of course, I go live and it kicks me out. Damn. Had a lot of people in here, too. But anyways, let's see here. SPY. Let's look at the IWM. Remember, I was hitting that 160. Yeah, look at that. This freaking train wreck. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, and I was explaining to everybody in the daily video. I was like, man, he's got to get above this area. I said, this shake and bake crap, something's up. Double top. Can't get above it. And look at that. Crank it up, crank it down. I mean, they are murdering people in these options right now. You buy puts, they shake you up. You buy calls, they shake you down. Buy puts, shake it down. Oh my gosh. And then they double whammy you. And then you buy puts yesterday, they shake you out for 3 hours before the big flush. Oh my gosh. The crooks on Wall Street. Come on, guys. You can't tell me someone didn't know. And they were all probably laughing. Oh, look at this. As they're pushing every put out of their trade, smashing them. Even I was watching the 298s. Almost shorted them right out of the gate. And I just couldn't do it. So I'm like, I'm just going to wait, see if they push this thing up, and then I'll do something. And man, this one wasn't as bad. The Qs was really bad. Look at that one. Everyone bought puts. Shorted the markets and they just freaking creamed you. This is a trade where you go too heavy. This is where I teach the money management, guys. You're heavy here, short put or buying puts down here. You're loading the house. This thing's flushing tomorrow, blah, blah, blah. And then today they just take you to the cleaner. But that SPY, I think they were at like $1. I don't know, $120 a piece. They went to like $30. So imagine that. You're in this trade. You're in at a $2 premium, and the $2 premium is at $50 now. And you're just like, oh my gosh, I can't do this. And I've been there, guys, years ago. You're like, I can't do this. I'm done. Take the loss. And then an hour later, they're flushing it. It's like, and then you're sitting there going, oh, all I had to do was hold. Raise your hand if you're ever in those trades. You're in here just getting your ass kicked going, oh my gosh. And it's like, then they freaking do that. And then you sit there and go, oh, I just took a $5,000 loss. Oh, and I could have made 17 grand. So GoPro, huh? What else is going off, guys? Let's do some live shit here. What else is going off? Tell me. What are some big names? With all the crap that's going on today, I'll look real quick. All right, let's see. Bigger than usual. Friday morning. Square. Is GoPro? Oh yeah, GoPro, Square, Etsy, pins. All right, let's look at SQ, guys. You know what? I'm gonna have to probably take off here. I'm in a couple of these. Let's see what we got here. Square. Let's do GoPro. Let's do Etsy. We've been shorting this one 10 times. HLF, GoDaddy. Gosh, there's a lot of them going on. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm looking at all this stuff, guys. You know, I'm really, with the high flyers that I have, I think I'm really just going to hold on to this crap. Man, some of these are just brutal. All right, GoPro. Let's see, Etsy. Let's see, time 24. Usually I'll put stuff over here too, but let's see what's going on here. X. Holding, GoPro. Holding. What, I don't know. What's that one? Is that, I don't know what this one is. Pins, ANET. That could be a fun one. All right, ANET's already going. Or is it? Do I have the time template on? Yeah, I got 24 hour. All right, what else? GoDaddy, Mad, Glue, GoPro. Oh, for solar too. FSLR. I haven't traded this one in a long time. All right, we'll see what's popping. Where'd the SPY end up? SPY, oh, 28 cents up, so something's going. Have a good one, Boogie. Enjoyed the stream. Yeah, I'll be coming back. So FINRA, come back. Come back and see me again sometime. Beyond the biggest joke of all. Yeah, Blake, how about it? Unbelievable. But for solar, going pretty good. Oh, look at that. Look at those options, guys. The 295s. They were at, oh my gosh, $1 now. They're just getting cremated. Oh man. Holy cow. All right, hold on a second here. All right, anything else here? Like for solar, ANET, that's a big mover usually. This one, what about GoPro? Anything on GoPro? Oh, GoPro's going up. Guys could be making money. I'm just kind of hanging now right now, guys, unless I see something really. ANET's a big mover. That one could possibly go. That one, Etsy. Where's Square? TLT, is that flying? Yeah, look at that. They said, is it the end of the road for TLT? Wow, almost about to break out. We had that. Look at that. 131 right in there. That was a big area. You had the gap fill. Look at that. Choking, and boom. Kind of like gold. Same thing. Yeah, I mean, easily 135 and 143, guys. Look out for that. I mean, this thing's rallying. Just look out for that. Yeah, good call on that, Blake. That's one you got to watch. You got to watch the USO too. 6% down, guys. What did I tell you? If you remember, you know what the hell's going on here. We start breaching this and breaching that. You better hold on. All right, guys, I think I'm going to end it right now. Ooh, SPY right back down, though. Something's going on. What's going on here? God, SPY's gyrating, guys. It was just up like 23 cents. Now it's down. Damn, these options are flying. Oh, my gosh. Oh, gosh. These options were just at like almost $1. They're at 140 now. Jeez. Woohoo. Getting some real good action. All right, so it looks like Square might be. Well, Square's popping around here and there. Where's X? Maybe that's what's dragging it down. Nope. What about Etsy? Anything with Etsy? Nope. Anything with the ANET? Nope. Anything with GoPro? Nah, shaking and baking. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end it here. If you remember, watch for the tonight's video. A lot to talk about. News, shaking and baking these markets, never good. And that's why we're just taking in and out. And that's why we've been doing more intraday for the last month, guys. When I got back from vacation, we've just been tearing it up. I was rejuvenated like an air condition and ready to go. And boys and girls, we are tearing it up. So please don't go too much. Please keep these positions consistent. Don't go, Bookie had 10 in a row. Let's really load the house in the 11th one, and then I lose. So keep them consistent and keep trading. Keep those high flyers manageable. Keep them small, guys. Those are just trades where you put them on and they come back down. It's like, yeah, you got another one. So take it easy with those. GoPro going down now. Maybe, guys. Maybe. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, Ashton, how about it? Blake, we're killing it. Oh my gosh. A couple other guys in here too. And I hope you guys are doing. A lot of guys don't do intraday trading. And girls. Can't keep the girls out. What's up, Raj? And yeah, so watch GoPro. If this thing goes a little bit lower, this could be one where we could get a pop. But remember, it's a bottom feed play. Go small and take it from there. All right, guys, I'm out. members, watch for my stuff tonight. And tomorrow, I'll try to go live again. Let's see if we get some action tomorrow. We got the jobs report and stuff. Let's see if we can make some money tomorrow live. All right. Thanks again for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.